Hello, this is Bill. Here's another video. This one is going to show us how to assemble the drop track. Again, similar to the jump track, this is very simple. There's only 3 pieces, and we'll show you how they assemble. One of the things I want you to know is that we do like using the CA glue. It dries nice and quick, and then also it even dries quicker if you use the Instaset. You don't always need to use the Instaset, but that's a great thing to have. All right, so for this particular build, there are 3 pieces. You just knock the pieces out of the board here, like that. You don't need this, you can throw it away. And then we have these pieces right here, and it's just going to create that shape of the track. So these rails are going to be glued into this. And you'll notice that this is flexible. This has been cut so that the track or the wood is flexible and can be shaped for this particular build. Okay, we'll get our glue, and we just put the glue in on the rail. Now this is a typical for most of the builds. You'll just be putting the glue on the rails and then applying them to the track itself. This one, you'll want to put your fingers up underneath and get that put in place, and you'll want to hold that until that glue dries. So I don't know if we can show you that, but that glue is in the process of drying. Now I'm going to set this aside for just a second. Actually, I'm going to give it a spray. See if we can get that cured just a little bit quicker than normal. Okay. One thing I wanted to point out is you'll notice that this rail has a little prong on the end, on each one of these ends, and that's important that they get put in or use this, make sure you line it up so it's flat on that. That way this piece, when it gets when you go to assemble the track to the other pieces of straight track or corners or whatever you're assembling it with, that it will be the proper height and that. So anyway, just want to make sure you're aware of that. Again, all the burn sides, when I'm assembling stuff, usually I like to have them facing me. I'm going to put the glue on this rail so we can get it started here. One of the ways that you can use the Instaset is you can actually spray your item that you're going to be gluing against first, and then put this on, and then hold it in place, and that will make it dry very quickly. And there you go. And that has created a track that is, it's a drop track. So actually you could use it going the other direction too, but most likely you'll want to use it so when the marbles are coming down the track, they'll drop here, gain a little extra speed, and they can go either direction that way. And this is pretty handy, especially as you get further along in your racetracks. You might want to have a little bit of extra oomph to get them moving again down the track. All right. Thank you very much.